subscribe to Yuzo.
Yo, what's going on, guys? In today's video we're going to be showing all my secrets, because last video we did you guys did hit, look, 93 likes, which is surprising. And you know what, I'm pushing you guys even harder now. 100 likes, and we got something really fucking big happening. I'm making my best video next time. I'm not even joking. I said I'm not gonna leak that method, but hey, if we get 100 likes on this video, I'm leaking it. I'm not telling you what it is, you'll see. If you watch my videos a lot, you might maybe have like a clue or something, like if you watch all my videos. But yeah, hey, but let's show you guys what I'm gonna be doing. I'm revealing all my secrets, how I make clothes, and just basically everything you need to know when it comes to clothing. And yeah, let's get into the video. Alright, first of all, what I like to do, which I don't have GTA or FiveM installed right now, but what I like to do for inspiration is you go on a server, you pick 2 masks you like, or go on my clothing shop or whatever. Look, you go to my clothing shop, and for example, recent clothing, you look for something you want to make, you make this, but like, look, you pick 2 things you want to make, but with those 2 things you pick, you want to make one thing. So you want to, like, for example, I want to make a mix between these 2. That's what you got to do. You got to pick these 2. Alright, then you got to make a mix of both, and then you check how it looks. That's what I always do. So it's not like always copying someone, because you're taking 2 IDs and putting them into one. That's number 1. Hey, let's get into my secrets though. Hey, alright. Now that was a secret. That was a secret. Alright, let's get into it. I mean, I'm already in the video. Alright, so first of all, this is one thing you really need. You need one of my designer packs. It's a must-have when you're making clothing. Also, my biggest secret is using my newest pack, to be honest. I'm not trying to promote it or anything. Well, I am. But it's actually my best pack. Like, bro. Not this one. What the fuck? Hold on. Oh, that's secret. This one is secret, bro. Where's my winter pack? Alright, it's in download somewhere. But hey, if you got winter pack, you can make the best clothes ever. I'm not even joking. So that is one of my secrets, getting the best pack I have, which is the winter pack. It's only $25 compared to the other ones. The other ones are also good, but the other ones have just more assets and shit, like stuff, yeah. And this one has more like PNGs. It doesn't really have like templates or anything, if you know what I mean. And it has like clothing fucking designer picks and shit, and yeah. Alright, but let me show you. Alright, so first of all, what you want to do, of course, when you're making a mask, I'm just using this because I don't have a mask size, whatever thingy. I'm just too lazy. Always when you make a mask, go to image size, or any clothing, to be honest. Go to image size, put the resolution to 300, and you always need to do that on everything you do. On everything, bro. And also, you need to be using my template for the mask. And the big secret is I don't use templates. I don't use templates at all. Like, I just don't, bro. Templates are cringe, I'm telling you. Just get better without using templates, and you're fucking good. That's all I need to say. But hey, if you're making a mask, what I need, like, what you guys, I seen, bro, you guys are fucking terrible sometimes when it comes to like adding PNGs and shit. I'm sorry, but I just have to say it. This is how you fucking fix it, because your shit looks dry as fuck. I'm sorry, I fucking love y'all, but your fucking clothing is shit. So say you want to fucking add a PNG. Wait, let me just add a PNG real quick. Like, your shit just looks way too dry. You guys need to do some stuff to it. Like, you can't just add a PNG. Oh, I'm done. You gotta make some changes to the PNG. So let's say, look, be creative as well. Be creative. Like, be fucking creative. Look, like, rate this. This is a fucking good PNG to put right over your fucking eye. Bow. Already something. That already is sick. Look, my IQ is so fucking big. Bow. Just like that, because it's like a bit rotated one. Alright, so like that. Boom, done. Now you have that. W. Alright, so what you want to do is you want to add another PNG. I'm going to show you how to make them better, though. So it's not that dry. Like, I don't like you guys' fucking PNG placement making it so fucking dry. Like, for example, hold on. I'm getting a perfect PNG example. I can't really find one. I'm looking. Hold on. I just need to show you guys the fucking perfect fucking thing. Perfect PNG, so I can fucking show you guys like a good example of what I mean. Can't really find a fucking good PNG anyway. So for example, this PNG right here. let's just say this Toby PNG right here. Right? Control T. Put him on the side right here. Looks pretty all fucking good, right? You guys just leave it like this. You guys are fucking out of your mind if you're leaving it like this. Oh, I just added PNG. Hey, let's complete this mask. No. You fucking pick the fucking eraser tool. Go here. Put the hardness on 0%. Fucking rasterize this layer. And now fucking fade it out, bro. Fade it fucking out. Make it look good. There we go. That looks already 10 times better. It looks better on clothing. Basically fading out every single fucking PNG. I'm not even joking. Like, fucking... Sometimes you just gotta fade out every fucking PNG. Look, I got this PNG. Oh. And now fucking what? Do you want to have it dry? No. You want to fucking make it fade out. Bow. That looks just better. Just need to do that shit. Alright. Just need to do it. Alright, my second secret on making clothing is using GFX packs. I use GFX packs a lot. And my own packs and GFX packs. You guys like my newest packs. I mean, my newest pack, you want to use that one. That's a GFX pack slash FiveM clothing pack. It's both. So that one is perfect. But you can get like a killer pack like I showed in my last video, in the texture video. Get this pack. This pack will help you. So what I like to do on the clothing, I already showed this before, but you guys are not paying attention. Some of you were, but you guys just skip. So nice. If you're watching, fucking comment, I love you, Daddy Yuzo. Alright. If you're still watching to this minute, I love you, Daddy Yuzo. I love you, Daddy Yuzo. Fucking comment that shit, bro. Alright, but look, just use this pack right here. For example, like these shards right here. My boy Jord. I'm still not his boy anymore. Nah, I'm joking. Not like that. Come on, weird. I'm not weird. But listen, look, you can just put those right here. Here. And fucking just spread them around across the mask if you want. I only put it at the top. So I'll leave it like this and just fade this out so it looks even. Look, like that looks better because then it looks like it's fucking, you know, it's like breaking into the fucking mask or something. It just looks better. It has a better effect. Same goes with this. Like, for example, you can use random ass shit like this. Like, for example, this, I made one mask which made, like, it looks like it glows like this. I just put it over the fucking eye. Let me show you guys right now. It looks pretty sick, in my opinion. Look, yeah, like this one, I just put that on top. It looks like it's it probably glows in game. It 100% does. And you see I added that stuff and just added layer styles. I'm gonna get to that really soon. And yeah, so that is another thing. All right, so another thing is, another secret of mine is this goes on every clothing, by the way. Yeah, by the way, the other every secret I'm doing goes on every clothing, bro. So when you're making text, you want to have a good font, of course. So let's just say Yuzo. This is a good font. Let's just expand this a bit. All right, boom, cool font, W. Now what you want to do is you want to click blending options and you want to get a good fucking thing. You want to make this shit look good. All right, just do whatever you have to do and make it good. Or you can go to GFX packs and find layer styles, if that's a thing. Yep, layer styles, overview it. Now I have all these cool layer styles. Just copy them and paste them in. So let's say I want this red one. Wait, hold on, pretty sure there's many. Yeah, I'm just taking this random one, copy layer style, go to Yuzo text and paste layer style. As you can see, this is not the right font for it, but it just looks better. All right, what you guys want to do next is when you're making, like, listen, because you guys, like, let's say we want to make it like a half and half. Like, let's say you got one side which is like this and the other is like this. Instead of doing it this way, so it looks fucking terrible. Oh wait, I kind of fucked up. All right, so instead of doing it like this, this is how you line it up, bro. So look, you put it right here like that. And then what you want to do is you want to pick this tool. You want to take this here. Bow, bow, bow. Fuck, I didn't make a new layer. You see, that's how dumb I am. Like, I'm missing a fucking part of my brain. All right, listen. You guys want to do this? You want to do this? Bow, bow, bow. Yo, can any of you guys rewatch my video? Cause like I'm trying to get those watch hours. You know, I'm joking. All right, but nah, I need watch hours. So let's say I want half white, half pink, half whatever. Boom. Now we have this. Control E those because you want to merge them. I also recommend merging a lot. Alright, but anyway, put the opacity a bit down so you can actually see what's happening. To be honest, no, put this over, put this on 100, and put this opacity a bit down so you can see like this. Alright, doesn't really change shit, but yo, I'm smart. Then what you want to do is you want to take this tool. You want to go back to your old layer. You want to create you want to take this brush right here, the special brush, just sprinkle it like that. So now it looks like this. Oh, that's shit. Okay, my bad. So you just want to sprinkle it a bit more, you know, so you like gets good like this. There we go. Now you have something like this. Looks way better. Anyway, yeah, that is that. Next thing. Alright, so I don't have many tips left, but hey, you want to go to my Discord. You want to get the social verification. Look, if you get the social verification, you're gonna get all of these community PNG community templates, intro stuff, GFX stuff, and other stuff. This is really useful. Some people might have some good stuff in here. I haven't really checked out what is here myself, but like I haven't really downloaded it and stuff. But yeah, you wanna get the role. If you don't know how to get the role, go verification info. Read fucking this, because you guys can't read for some fucking reason. And yeah, then you go to like fucking what was it again? I don't know. Fucking social verification. Yeah, boom, done. All right, once you have done that, you're good to go. Next thing, yeah, next thing, Unleash uploads all songs. I'm not gonna lie, I have kind of no secrets left. I kind of show you guys what I basically know. Everything else basically is just improving on Photoshop, and yeah, just improve like just normal basic Photoshop stuff. Gotta improve on those. How the fucking thing works, how fucking glowing works, how to make things glow, how to make that, how to make this, how to make this, how to make this. Like, it's just all like, after that, after I just show you all this, you just gotta play around. And yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Make sure to get that like goal, and yeah, have a good one, guys. I really thank you for 3K subscribers as well. And yeah, that's fucking good one, guys.